walk around we're going to do today at the Keystone Truck and Tractor Museum is of the 1962 Lamborghini 1R. I was able to get this tractor out this past weekend. Got a little bit of footage of while driving it. This is a 2-cylinder air-cooled diesel. Puts out about 26 horsepower. They're made from 1961 to 1965. The name Lamborghini we think most times with hypercars, supercars, most notably the Countach from the 70s and 80s. But Lamborghini actually started making tractors in 1948, post-World War II. With this tractor, very simple designs to it. Starter button on the dash. It has your ignition or your key. When you push it in, it puts power to the ignition for the starter to work. And each spot left on the ignition is for different lights. So it could be, and right now the battery's not hooked up, but it could be your rear work light, and then also bright and dim for your front headlights. So at least get this reset back, pull it out. It does have a tach and an hour meter on it. Your throttle is here to be able to shut the engine off. You're taking fuel away from it. So you take right here where this notch is, bring it up to the top, push it the rest of the way, it shuts the fuel off to the engine. Then we have a 3-speed transmission here. First is to the right and up, second is to the right and back, third to the left and up, reverse to the left and back. This lever here is your range selector. Your forward is low speed or low range, pull it back is your high range. It does have full brakes here, a differential lock on the back, actually in a brake proportioner to a degree over on this side. Bosch fuel pump, and while we get this hood open, see if I can do this one-handed or not. Get that open. Small fuel tank towards the dash of it. Of course, battery, starter, generator. What looks like a turbo on this is actually your intake for your cooling fan. I don't know if I can get in there to see the Lamborghini on the very front of it or not. There you go. And your 2 cylinders. Like I said, we normally don't think of Lamborghini with tractors, and there still is a Lamborghini branded tractor being made. I believe it's part of the Fendt group out of Europe. But in case you haven't seen one before, there is a 1962 Lamborghini 1R.
Give her some throttle.